world trade routes, okay, by sea. And you can see this is the Red Sea. Due to terrorist attack in this area, ship is moving around the Africa and going to Europe. Just like from India to Europe, this is the shortest way, okay? But the ship is moving around the Africa and going to Europe. In the same way for the South America and North America, okay? So we need to understand why this barrier is created, okay? So namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will try to understand import CFS service for cargo, okay? So what is the CFS? CFS is a container freight station, okay? So to storing the containers, the space required by custom and ICD and seaport. So this space is called CFS container freight station, okay? So what kind of service provided by this CFS? We will try to understand. So CFS is a terminal where the containers are unloaded from the railway and transport, other by road transport, okay? So we can say this is the space, okay, for container placing, okay. At the time of custom clearance, this container can be placed at this location, which is called CFS. So what service provided by this CFS, okay? So CFS can be third party and CFS can be the shipping line owns, okay? So different shipping line, just like MSC, Musk line, Hapag line, they have their own CFS nearest to the ICD, seaport and custom clearance port, okay? And some shipping line not have its own CFS needed to this custom clearance port, ICD and seaport, okay? So that time they hired third party CFS. So service of CFS, okay? So we know that near ICD, okay, so you can see there is a diagram. This is the port, this is the seaport, okay, and this ship unloading this container on the railway, okay, then this railway is going to the ICD, okay. So this ICD have a multiple CFS. It can be shipping line CFS or third party CFS, okay. So what this railway do? This railway is unloaded the containers where space is available, okay. So this CFS is, we can understand, just along with this railway track, okay. So this railway track, this railway is unloaded this container to the CFS, okay. So main thing is understand what kind of service provided by this CFS, okay. So service include in transportation between the port and our facility with safe storage, okay. So this is the port and this is the CFS. So CFS also provide this transport facility, okay, with safe storage, okay. Sometimes you can understand there is a expensive cargo can be stuck in the containers. So in such cases, the cargo security is very important, okay. So this CFS provide the cargo security, okay. Then this is safe storage, okay. There is no problem of the just temperature and all the things need to be take care at the CFS in case of the reefer containers. Food type of items can be stored in the cold storage, So also such kind of facility provide at the CFS. Then efficient handling of the cargo. Okay, they have a hydras, so they can move container from one place to another, just like these containers are unloaded from the train and placed in the CFS. So this hydra will help to unload it, and the containers which need to be examined is kept under the multiple containers. So the top containers need to be removed by this hydra and just check out the container which need to be examined. Okay, so this efficient handling is service given by this CFS. Okay, and followed by the hassle-free destuffing of import cargo if required. Okay, if you understand, that is a hassle-free means that there is a rush of containers when the rails reach at this ICD, so they can be rushed. So the hassle-free facility provide. Okay, it work with safety and keeping the old parametry which assigned by the authority. So they work as per the given procedure. So hassle-free facility in the de-stuffing container. Okay, we can understand de-stuffing containers. Container is de-stuff, stuffing the process in which the cargo is stuffed in the container, but in de-stuffing, cargo is unloaded from the containers. So this hassle-free facility provided by this CFS. Moreover, a skilled team carefully sort and store the cargo. Okay, so we can understand, for example, this container FCL. So all cargo is the same type of goods. Okay, and if transporter want to deliver this cargo to them by truck, okay, so this cargo need to be de-stuffed from this container and move for this importer factory. Okay, in some cases, in this case arise in such cases like the shipping line containers not have a much detention free time. Like if you were, this is the FCL dry container, okay, but sometimes if you are importing machinery parts, so in that case, the containers we import is the open top container. Okay, so flat rack are open top container. So in this case, the shipping line not provide much time to deliver this cargo at factory, and we can say that is a returning of the empty container. Like any containers take time after the custom clearance process, shipping line provide 14 days to return this empty container to the shipping line yard. Okay, so in this case, we need to understand in open top, shipping line not provide too much time, only the 4 days, 5 days, 7 days in same way. So in such case, what importer will do to saving this high detention from the shipping line, this cargo is de-stuffed from the container and loaded in the truck. Okay, so what happens when this process is done? They provide the very strategic planning regarding that de-stuffing the cargo. Okay, and they transport this cargo. So in this process, they need a very skilled team. Okay, they carefully unload it and do this thing. Then storage of the cargo, so the facility. If the container, if the importer's factory not available the space, this cargo can be stored in the CFS for some time until space is released from the importer factory. Okay, so this, what is the facility? This is the storage of the cargo. Then we ensure the prompt delivery to the customer and provide regular update on the progress of each activity to keep client in loop. Okay, so here the CFS provide that prompt delivery, immediate deliveries once the shipment is out of charge from the shipping line and the custom. They provide prompt delivery if importer using the transport of the CFS. Okay, then provide regular update on the progress of each activities. Okay, to keep the client in loop. So here we need to understand if CFS is nominated by the importer. Okay, so nomination means that sometime shipping line have its own CFS. So what shipping line do this called shipping line yard. Okay, so shipping line will definitely this unloaded this container on its territories in its own shipping line yard. Okay, but importer nominate any CFS. So in such case, so CFS will intimate to the importer on each activity, like a containers reach at the ICD, container unloaded from the railway, container are the examined, okay, and container now out of charge. So this regular update on each activity is provided by this CFS. Okay, to whom? To importer. Then security of the cargo is paramount importance. Okay, so CFS provide the security of the cargo. You know that expensive cargo is stuff in the containers, so like a mobile and all the thing. So stealing and thieving process can be done at the custom. So they provide the security regarding this, and all facilities boast on a high security enable and closed circuit television handheld communicator. Okay, so each location of the CFS, the cameras and all thing is appointed so that nobody can do such activities. Okay, like tipping and all stealing the thing. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand import CFS services. Okay, in the next session we will try to understand what is the export CFS services. Okay, so guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.